Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to retrieve your Windows license key from your Windows 10 installation. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so in today's video we're going to take a look at how to retrieve our Windows license key from our Windows 10 installation. Now this is really useful if you're doing maybe a reinstall, fresh install, that kind of thing. Maybe you've changed some hardware and Windows is asking for your license key to reactivate itself, and it can be a real pain. Now back in the day we used to have these nice little things from Microsoft with license keys on, or if you bought a retail package you'd have a little sticker which was on the side of your PC. These days you're lucky if you get one of these, let alone a license key. So let's go to the computer and I'll show you a couple of easy ways of getting your key out of your computer. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is to try and do it from the command line. Now this doesn't always work depending on how Windows was installed, how it's been activated, that kind of thing, but it's certainly worth a go. So what we need to do is to type in CMD, and on the command prompt right click, choose Run as Administrator, and User Account Control, click OK, and then we get our command prompt. So what we need to do is to now paste some text in. Well, I've actually got on a notepad, so let's open that, and all we need to do is copy this section here. So copy, go back to our command prompt, and you can either right click or you can choose Control V, whichever suits you, and press enter. Now this doesn't always work, like I said, depending on how Windows was installed, how it was activated, all that kind of stuff, but it's certainly worth a go. This may well produce your license key. So we're going to hit enter, and now normally it would say in this section here, it would put your license key. So on this particular version, this hasn't worked. It may well work for you. If it doesn't work, what we can do is we can close this down and we can actually try and run a script to try and do the same thing. So what we need to do is right click, choose new, make a text document, and we'll call it Windows key. And now what we can do is copy and paste this text, and the text will be in the description of the video. So this is the script. So we'll highlight all of this, right click, choose copy, and open our Windows key text document, which is blank, right click, choose paste, and then we can do file and then save as. This is the important bit. So what we want to do now is at the bottom here where it says save as type, we change that to all files, and now all we need to do is where it says Windows key, put a dot, full stop, and then type VBS, so for Visual Basic Script. Click Save, and Visual Basic will create the new script for us. So we can close this window down. Now all we need to do is double click on Windows key, the script, the VBS file, and there we go. This brings up our Windows license key, which obviously for security reasons I will blur out, but you get the general idea. This is where your license key will appear. So two methods there, either which can work for you. The command line one works for a lot of people, but not always. But if not, use the Windows VBS script and you can have your license key. So there we go, two relatively straightforward ways of getting your Windows 10 license key out of your Windows 10 installation. What I would suggest to do as well, once you've actually got the key up on screen, write it down somewhere safe, or better still, just take a screenshot and maybe save it to one of your synchronized offline folders like OneDrive, that kind of thing, or just email it to yourself so you've got it handy. If you've got multiple PCs in the house, try and put a sort of mark on it, like Mike's PC, Cap's PC, that kind of thing. That's the sort of thing I generally tend to do here at Mike's Unboxing, because we've got a lot of computers, lots of license keys, and they can get lost, put anywhere. Another thing you can do as well, just take a screenshot and actually print it out, stick it in your motherboard box, so should you ever have to do a reinstall, you can just go to your motherboard box, get all your information out. Again, depends how anal you are on that sort of thing, but that works really well for me. So there you go. That is two ways of getting your license key from your Windows 10 installation. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. If you've got any comments or questions, stick them in the section below, but hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.